Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing fine. So the other day I had put out a Facebook live video saying that I have a mega box of fish fingers and my son does not want to eat fish fingers, he prefers chicken nuggets instead. So if any of you have any suggestions for it. So I got a lovely suggestion from one of the viewers. Her name is Jennifer Ann Crow, and I had asked her, because I liked her suggestion, so I had asked her via Facebook if it's all right if I make a YouTube video featuring her recipe. But of course I'll try and make a few changes to the recipe so that I make it my own sort of. So in her original recipe, all she does is she fries the fish fingers, and then on top of it she adds in bacon, onion and cheese and puts it back into the grill, and yeah, that's how she does it. So I'm going to add in a few other extra ingredients, maybe capsicum, I don't know, I'll see how I go, and let's get cooking. So stay tuned, watch and enjoy, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care, bye. I've got about 15 fish fingers. I'm going to put it off into the air fryer to fry it up nicely. Yes, you can see that it's placed off into the air fryer. So I just lined the air fryer with some baking paper. Yeah, so at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. There everyone. So next I went ahead and chopped up half of an onion and half of a capsicum into small diced pieces. And I'm also going to chop up 2 rindless shortcut bacon into small diced pieces. Nice and colorful, isn't it? Right, it's looking nice and lovely. Just going to check the fish fingers. It's slowly taking shape. So it's still at 180 degrees and it's got 10 minutes to go. Here I'm heating some oil in a pan. Went ahead and added in the onions into that because I don't like the taste and smell of raw onions too much. You can season this with a little bit of salt. We're not going to fry it too much. Just after about 2 to 3 minutes, once it starts becoming translucent, we can add in the capsicum and the bacon into this. So again, we don't want to fry it too much because it has to go back into the grill along with the fish fingers. But we just want to combine it all nicely together. Look at this colorful sight, everyone. And now the onion's starting to turn nice and golden brown, and it's spluttering. So you can see it's sizzling and spluttering. So I'm going to take it off the heat. There it is, everyone. It's looking nice and lovely, isn't it? Alright everyone, so now our lovely fish fingers are also ready, and I'm going to put the toppings on it. Okay, so first I went ahead and drizzled on some mozzarella shredded cheese on top. Next we can put our lovely onion, bacon and capsicum filling onto it. Now it'll make sense to all of you why I went ahead and put the baking paper underneath, isn't it? In with the fish fingers into the air fryer. So it'll be easy to take it out. Once it's ready, all I have to do is lift the baking paper out, and it's less clumsy than trying to put the spoon and try to get it out. So this way it's going to be perfect. This is optional, but I'm also going to add in some salsa. So this is a chunky hot salsa sauce. So I'm going to put that onto this just to give it that lovely added flavor. So just drizzling it on top like that. There it is, everyone. So flavorsome, isn't it? This is one of the best ways I think I'm going to be having fish fingers. It's not bland anymore. It's so flavorsome. If you want to, you can even add another layer of fish fingers on top of all this, but this is going to be flavorsome in itself. I'm just going to do it up like this, just giving other options that you can use. But just look at this sight, everyone. Next I'm going to add in some tasty cheese shreds. So Mainland cheese is one of my favorite cheese brands. If you haven't tried it yet, especially the mozzarella, you should. It's very tasty and flavorsome. Aha, so beautiful, so lovely, so flavorsome. Alright, so I'm going to put this back into the air fryer at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes until the cheese nicely melts, and yeah, it's going to be nice and lovely. So once again, a very big thank you to Jennifer Ann Crow for sharing this lovely recipe. Of course, I made few changes to the initial recipe idea that you shared, but nevertheless, it's awesome, it's flavorsome. Thanks for inspiring me by sharing your lovely suggestion. All right, here it is, everyone. So it's come out of the air fryer. It's looking nice and lovely. It smells so good. So look at it, everyone. Oh my god, it smells so lovely, that melted cheese, and it smells so toasty. Who wouldn't want to dig in? It's just fish fingers overloaded and packed with flavor, isn't it? Yum yum. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh my god, look at this sight, everyone. Look at this sight. Look at the fish fingers underneath. So it's loaded on top with this lovely flavorsome fusion happening, of different flavorsome ingredients. Amazing. Look at this. Lovely loaded fish fingers, isn't it? It's loaded with flavorsome ingredients. There's a bacon, capsicum, onion, the salsa sauce, the cheese. Yum yum. So look at the bacon. Wow. What more can I say? And there it is, everyone, nicely plated up and all ready to be eaten up. Look at this sight. My goodness, so flavorsome. It's packed with flavor. So definitely placing the baking paper underneath when you put it off into the air fryer makes a lot of difference, because it's easy to take it out and it's also easy to plate it up, as you can see here. Yep, so let's dig in, everyone. This is my favorite time of the show, digging into this. Look at this cheese, so cheesy, so flavorsome. My god, yum yum. There we are. How flavorsome is that bite? All right, everyone, so here we go. Are you ready? Ready, steady, go. The crispiness of the fish fingers, that lovely smoky bacon flavor coming in between, that melted cheese, oh, the capsicum, the salsa, it was all dancing in my mouth. Super. So the fish finger was not soggy, it was nice and crispy, that nice lovely fish flavor. What more can I say? It's divine. I was in salsa paradise. Look at this lovely fish finger, everyone. It's loaded, loaded. Definitely, you took me to salsa paradise. I salsa danced, enjoying away. And apart from that, here it is, everyone, our lovely fish fingers loaded with salsa, which is chunky tomato salsa, bacon, onion, capsicum, and cheese is ready. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care. Enjoy. Bye. Hope all of you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care. Bye.